Hey guys, come with me to get baby Botox for the very first time. Now, I go to House of Beauty in Swansea, Massachusetts. I've been coming here for years since I first started getting my lips done, and I only go to my girl Alicia. This is her really cute office. She is known as Lip Beauty on Instagram, and she always takes such good care of me. She's an angel. So I've been wanting to get some baby Botox for about a year now, and I finally ripped the Band-Aid off. At this point, I'm feeling excited, anxious, nervous, but Alicia's going over the areas she thinks that I could benefit from. We're going to do the 11s, the frontalis, and crow's feet, and we're going to inject about 40 units. Now she's going over the area and sanitizing it with some rubbing alcohol. So she's marking all the areas on the face, starting with the 11s, then moving on to the frontalis, and finishing off with the crow's feet by having me squint. So we're going to do a little bit of injection there, and that is going to give me a nice little brow lift. Surprisingly, it wasn't as painful as I thought it would be because the lip area is always a little bit more sensitive. It takes about 2 weeks to see the full results, so post 2 weeks, and here are my results, guys. Eyebrows lifted, no more 11s, cute pout, I love it.